Pour olive oil on your neck and it will change your life. Don't hesitate to try it out. The use of olive oil extends beyond just cooking. There's a reason it's been used in various ways since the time of Cleopatra up to today. And I'll show you how you can use it to your advantage. Before you experience its effects when applied to the neck, see what else I use it for. Soak bay leaves in olive oil for a few days, then apply it to your face, neck, hands, or other parts of your body. It's an elixir for irritated skin. Use it every night to reduce facial spider veins. Within a few days, your skin will be beautiful and moisturized. Apply 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil to your foot if you're suffering from a sprained ankle or strained tendons. It works like a painkiller. If you want to boost your immunity, use garlic. Prick several cloves with a toothpick and soak them in olive oil. Leave it for 10 days. Take 2 tablespoons in the morning every day. You'll feel much more energetic. Olive oil is also perfect for relieving neck discomfort. Take a bunch of fresh rosemary or a tablespoon of dried and put it in a bowl. Then pour olive oil over it. Add a little bit of alcohol. Leave it for a day in a dark place. Then spread and massage it into your neck. You'll see that it will alleviate the pain. This method will also bring you soothing relief. Say goodbye to joint pain and swollen legs. We have the solution you've been searching for. Thanks to these 2 methods, you can finally forget about nagging pain and excessive water retention in your body. You'll rid yourself of the discomfort caused by joint swelling. These are the 2 best solutions that will help you alleviate these problems once and for all. Start by cooking rice. Rinse the rice grains and add them to boiling water. Make sure the water completely covers the rice. This water will come in handy later. Cook the rice for about 10 minutes. Then let it cool for another 2 to 5 minutes. Drain the rice, but don't pour out the water. You can use the rice for dinner. We'll utilize the rice cooking water for soothing sore joints. Prepare a bowl of warm water for soaking your feet. Pour the rice water into it. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. It has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Soak your feet in this mixture for 20 minutes. It will help combat leg swelling and improve circulation. It will eliminate fungal infections, bacterial infections, and inflammation. Another method is making a paste from the same ingredients. Simply mix a few tablespoons of rice water with baking soda until you get a thick consistency. Apply it to the painful areas. Leave this mixture on your joints for about 20 minutes. Remember, both ingredients have anti-inflammatory properties. Soaking your feet and the creamy paste are not only good for your joints, but also eco-friendly. Forget about products with harmful substances. These methods are natural and always effective. Cut the cotton pads in half and place them in the fridge. The next morning, you won't believe the results. Use regular cotton pads that you usually use to remove makeup. Today, I'll show you another use for them. Take scissors and a few cotton pads. Cut them in half. Pour a bit of green tea leaves into a glass. Pour hot water over them. Do not brew with boiling water. Green tea contains many vitamins. Loose leaf tea, not tea bags, has more health benefits. It has anti-atherogenic and anti-cancer properties. When the infusion cools down, prepare a small bowl and pour a few teaspoons of tea into it. Add a small amount of coconut oil. A bit at the tip of the teaspoon is enough. The oil will dissolve in the warm tea. Coconut oil has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antiviral properties. Place the cotton pads in the bowl with oil and tea. When they soak, place the bowl in the fridge. This way you can store them longer. Stretch the soaked pads before use and apply them under your eyes. Leave on for 20 minutes. Dark circles under the eyes will disappear. Such a mask stimulates blood circulation and moisturizes. Use regularly every morning or at night, and you will be pleasantly surprised by the results. Anti-aging mask that will surprise you. It tones and eliminates wrinkles. Your skin becomes silky smooth because of it. This mask is extremely effective. To make it, you need bananas, or more precisely, the peel of one banana. It has properties that will rejuvenate your skin. Chop it finely. Put it in a pot. Add 2 tablespoons of rice. It prevents premature aging. Pour in 200 milliliters of water. Boil it all for 10 minutes. Rice with banana also brightens the complexion perfectly. Then transfer the rice with banana peel to a blender, blend it into a smooth mixture, transfer it to a bowl, and add about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. It's perfect for discoloration and pimples. It also contains a lot of vitamin C. Add 1 tablespoon of powdered milk. It cleanses and moisturizes the skin. Also, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. It absorbs excess oil for oily skin. Mix everything thoroughly and transfer it to cream containers. Apply it to the skin and leave it on for several minutes. Tannins in banana peel tighten and tone the skin. Banana peel is an ideal cosmetic for acne-prone skin, but in combination with other ingredients, it is universal for different skin types. After using it, the skin is smooth, tight, and free of wrinkles. You can store this mask in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. However, it's best to use it regularly every day until you finish it. Add lime to your Nivea cream to give it properties comparable to luxurious cosmetics. While this recipe may sound strange, I guarantee you'll start doing it yourself. Lime has many uses for both home and health. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. The vitamin C in lime has antioxidant and brightening effects. It also stimulates collagen production. When combined with Nivea cream, it creates a product that saves you both time and money. To half a jar of Nivea cream, add about 1 small teaspoon of lime juice. Then, add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, which contains natural lactic acid, providing hydration and exfoliation. Mix well. Also, add just under a small teaspoon of petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly locks in moisture, making the skin more hydrated and elastic. Mix everything together. This combination of 3 ingredients creates a fantastic cosmetic. Apply this mask to wrinkles or dry spots on your skin. Gently massage it in and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Regular use improves the skin's texture, giving it a fresh, youthful appearance. This mask can be used for many purposes.
Natural mask that removes blackheads and pimples. Preparation takes only 5 minutes. Prepare 4 aspirin tablets. It contains acetylsalicylic acid, which helps fight acne. It exfoliates and softens the skin. Lay out a piece of plastic wrap on a board, then place the tablets on it and cover with another layer of plastic wrap. Using a hammer, crush the tablets into powder. This will help them dissolve faster. Transfer the powder to a bowl. Add a tablespoon of plain yogurt. It is rich in vitamin B and proteins, soothing irritations, and promoting skin regeneration. Like a soothing dressing, it helps reduce redness and discoloration. Add a tablespoon of honey. Mix everything together. Honey is an antioxidant that blocks free radicals, helping to maintain youthful skin. Finally, add almond oil. It gently moisturizes the skin without leaving a greasy layer. This oil effectively rebuilds the skin's hydrolipidic barrier. Thoroughly mix the mask to achieve a uniform consistency. It takes literally 5 minutes to prepare, and its effects are wonderful. Apply the mask to the face and neck. Leave it on for 15 minutes. During this time, the ingredients will penetrate the skin. Rinse with lukewarm water, gently massaging. Aspirin helps remove dead skin cells. Blackheads and pimples won't stand a chance.